use a little boost in the breast department.
Son of a bitch!
Why are you so mean? I was just professing my love for you.
My breasts are not a valid topic of discussion, Yakumo.
You're even cuter when you're mad.
That's enough!
It's you guys.
We've all been standing here watching you shoot off your mouth this entire time, Yakumo. I can't believe you didn't even notice us.
Yeah, be careful, Nina. I wouldn't exactly trust a guy who tries to pick up on someone and then just stands around and laughs at the shortcomings of her bust line. Stay away from him.
Now you're gonna get it, motherfucker! That's right!
Lady
Stop
Rose,
it!
do not make eye contact with him.
He should be ashamed!
Yeah, he's such a pervert.
You guys are dragging my good name to the mud like this. Jeez.
We all came here to have fun. There's no reason to fight. Can't you just try to get along?
She's right. You know, we do have enough people to play a game of volleyball. How about we settle our differences on the court? I've already divided everyone into teams.
Nana say.
Ah, 0-0-0. The first match is Zero and Nina versus Nanase and Yakumo.
Come on, you can do it, Nina!
Hey, Ichi, my love, tell me what you think about my new bikini. I just got it today.
Okay, let's go!
Bring it!
Got it. Back at you.
This!
Nina! Nina!
Are you all right?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you.
You knucklehead, you've damaged my Nina's precious face.
She is not your Nina, jerk!